How to check your voicemail on iPhone. Firstly, head over to your phone app. You can see at the very bottom right corner there is a section called voicemail. Now once you've clicked on it, you can see all of the voicemails that have been sent to you. Now this is unfortunately unavailable in my region, but if it is available in yours, you can click on a button called Greetings on the top right and it'll take you to this section, where you can set up your own voicemail or customize it up to your liking. Besides that, you also have the option to go for a live voicemail. So this is something that Apple has introduced quite recently. As you can see on the screen, if somebody is calling you and you don't respond for whatever reason and they send you a message to voicemail, it's going to be transcribed to you in real time so you can go ahead and accept the call. Now how you can turn this on is you essentially go to your settings app and scroll all the way down until you see the phone section, and that will be right here, and inside this is where you can turn on your live voicemail. So that's it for the video. This is how you can check your voicemail on iPhone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.